Start with your video on the timeline. Choose the portion where you want the rewind effect and copy-paste that segment above the original clip. Then, select the new clip and click on Reverse. Next, speed up the reverse clip by selecting it, going to speed at the top right and setting it to around 5x for a dramatic rewind look. Now it's time to add a rewind overlay. You can search on Google or YouTube for a copyright-free rewind green screen effect. Once added to your timeline, select the overlay, go to Video, Cutout, Chroma Key, and pick the green color. Increase the strength slider until the green is fully removed. If you want a black and white rewind look, select your video clip, go to Adjust, and reduce the saturation to around -50. Lastly, make sure the rewind overlay matches the length of your reversed clip. If it's too long, either slow down the clip or shorten the overlay. You can adjust this again using the speed option. And that's it. That's how you create a rewind effect in CapCut on your PC or Mac. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.